DW Maps is a powerful new tool included with DW Spectrum Enterprise that makes it easy to visualize your devices across 2D and 3D maps, floor plans, or custom images, all seamlessly within the DW desktop client. Setup is quick, intuitive, and designed to fit smoothly into your workflow. Once configured, users can view all site-linked cameras on a single map, search for devices by name, or navigate directly by clicking on the map. Users can instantly access live video thumbnails and with a simple double-click, open a full camera view in the DW desktop client. DW Maps also supports layered views, allowing you to effortlessly toggle between outdoor and indoor perspectives. For example, users can view outdoor cameras on one layer, then switch to an internal floor plan to monitor indoor cameras, all with a few clicks. To find out how DW Spectrum Enterprise can enhance your video management experience, go to digitalwatchdog.com.